Hey folks, it's Brian. I wanted to share one of the ways that we're using our tropical plants in our backyard to make a little extra money this summer. Now, it also does require a pool. We've got one of those. We've been renting our pool out on an app called Swimply. Now, I don't want to clutter this channel with a bunch of stuff about Swimply, so I have created a second channel where I'm going to share what we're learning as a host, how it's going, problems that we're having, things that we're doing to make it easier, all the stuff that is going on with us using the tropical plants in our yard to help market our pool using Swimply. So look in the description for a link to the new channel. I'll still be making tropical plant videos here on this channel and sharing the things that I'm doing, the things that I'm learning, experiments I'm running to grow weird and different things in different environments. So be on the lookout for the regular updates and all of the normal videos that I create about plants. But I did want to share this other channel with you. If you have any interest in learning about how you can use tropical plants in a short-term rental situation, particularly if you have a pool, we will be making videos on that channel as well. Now, we are also planning some other things related to short-term rentals that will be available on that channel. The next project on the list, we've bought or are in the process of buying some additional property that's out by the coast. We're going to turn that into a tropical paradise as well and rent that out on Airbnb, and possibly there's going to be some space for hip camp as well. So we're just looking to use our plants in a way to generate some additional income for us, and I'll be covering all of that stuff on the other channel. Go ahead and give us subscribe to it. Follow that if you have any interest. Otherwise, you'll keep seeing plants here. Thanks. Have a good day.